Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students and friends. In today's lesson, we will learn about use of can in future, in present, and in past tense. Okay, let us see what is can. Okay, friend, you see here can. The meaning of can in Urdu is sakta. Okay, for example, मैं मोटरसाइकिल चला सकता हूँ. Okay, here you see sakta. Okay, I think you have got the notion. Okay, what is can? We can use can in present for two main purposes. Our first purpose should be to express permission or possibility. Now, what is permission or possibility? Permission is when you give someone the permission to do something. For example, you can go now. In this sentence, we see can is used for permission. Permission means ijazat. Now, I have given the permission to someone to go now. You can go now. तुम अभी जा सकते हो. It's mean I have stopped you from going to home then, and now I have given you the permission to go to your home or to somewhere else. So in this sentence, can is used especially for permission. You see in sentence number 2, rain has stopped. It's mean बारिश अभी रुक चुकी है. You can go now. Here you see the same sentence, but can is used for other purpose, for other than permission. Okay, used for other than permission. Now, what is that purpose? That is possibility. In this sentence, I have shown the possibility. Now, what is possibility? Rain has stopped. बारिश अभी रुक चुकी है. ठीक है, बारिश रुक चुकी है. You can go now. इसका मतलब है कि तुम अभी जा सकते हो. तुम्हें रोका था किसने? बारिश ने. And now अब इम्कान है, possibility इम्कान, और अब इम्कान है कि तुम जा सको. ठीक है, and now there is the possibility of your going back home. Okay, where we use express other than permission or possibility, so we use can for ability, for expressing ability or capacity. Okay, which is another use of a can in present tense. Okay, I can swim in water. In this, I have shown my ability or my capacity. Both of them are same things, or both of them are same words used for taqat, ehliyat. In this sentence, I have shown my ability. What is ability? एहलियत. कि मुझ में ये ताकत है, ये एहलियत है कि मैं तैर सकूं. मुझ में ये एहलियत है कि मैं तैर सकूं. So these are the two main uses, or we can use can for these two purposes in present tense. Now let's move on toward future. In future, we can use can for permission, for showing capacity or ability, but it should be something like this. Okay, will, shall should be followed by able to, not can. Okay, we use able to instead of can. I will be able to swim in water. It's mean in future, at some time in future, I will have the ability to swim in water. Now I cannot swim because I am too small for it, or I am too young for it. But in future, I will learn how to swim in water. Okay, so in future we use able to instead of can after will or shall. Okay, in past we use could. The past form of can is could. Could is also used for showing capacity. I could swim in water. It's mean I had the ability at some time in the past to swim in water. Now I cannot swim, but I had the ability at some time, at some particular point in the past, at some particular time in the past. Now I cannot swim. So here this could is used for showing capacity. Okay, in this sentence you see could is used for granting permission. Okay, I could put it wherever I liked. मैं जहाँ भी इसे रखना चाहता मैं रख सकता था. It's mean I had been granted the permission so that wherever I liked I could put it. Okay, जहाँ कहीं भी मैं चाहता तो मैं इसे रख सकता था क्योंकि मुझे इजाज़त मिली थी. So we used could for permission. We can either use could or was able to, was or were able to. Okay, both was or were able to and could are used for the same purpose in past. So thank you friend for watching this video. Until next video, thank you, bye for now, and Allah Hafiz.